Lishi tools have become very important for locksmiths. They've gone mainstream. They're extremely well built. I highly recommend you have a full set. For automotive locksmiths, it's the go-to, and I don't know how many Lishi picks I have. Lishi picks, Lishi readers I have for automotive. I probably have everything going, so that's 50 plus. The last couple of years, they've come out with residential and commercial Lishi picks. There's a controversy between which there's Mr. Lishi, there's genuine Lishi, there's all sorts of Lishis, and everybody's saying everybody's copying everybody. Here's the bottom line is, the first Lishi style I saw was made, it was a West German Lishi style. The next one I saw years and years later was a Korean. And then I saw, the next ones I saw was a genuine Lishi, and then I saw Mr. Lishi's. I find Mr. Lishi seems to have the best guarantee. So what is the most, for residential and commercial locks, they were making for Schlage, Kwikset, and there's a whole pile of other ones, and the best locks. But what do I carry every single day? I have the SC1, which is a 5-pin Schlage lock. I have the SC4 for the 6-pin. And I've seen some other videos, and I'll show some more videos. We're going to have a whole series on this. The other one that's extremely hard to pick is the Everett, and that's the C123 or the S123. A new one for me to play with is an SC4 6-pin Schlage, but it's an L, a left hand. I find with lever locks, because I like to read it and then cut a key for it. Once I pick them, I want to read it so I can make a key so I can take the lock off easily when I want to rekey it. Usually have to rekey it. So, and I like to see what I'm doing as I'm picking. So I have a left-hand version. So when it's at a weird angle, I have a left-hand version. So I'm quite happy with that. So that's kind of cool. So, and also you have the KW1, which is for 5-pin Kwikset, and the KW5 is for the 6-pin Kwikset. So stay tuned. I got more videos coming on using the Lishi picks. Have a good day.